come today, you know. I better have money to give me because today I Saturday. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon now. Now, babe.
I don't know, tell me now what I go on.
They are, as you can see, they are from work.
Today I Saturday now.
Yes, so what happened about this Saturday now?
What do you mean what go on? You know nothing for me?
What you want? I don't know what you want. The only I say if I have nothing for your babe.
I'm supposed to tell you what I want. I done did tell you already during the week because you said Friday and today is Saturday.
Yesterday I pay up bills, you know.
You pay up bills and no food no buy in my house?
So food I can buy today.
Yes,
Later on.
that me come for.
Later on because I still are going and I pay a lot of bills yesterday. And I like, I don't have no money, I have money, but here what happen? I have to go and sell down some white goods them first because I still owe a little.
You know, say all the while I do this?
All the while, baby. What kind of all the while?
You promised me the money and now you tell me bullshit. So what am I going to eat now? I want to go home and look for something to eat.
You want to go cook something?
Yeah.
You can give one little cabbage, one little piece of yam.
Huge, what kind of cabbage? Every day you feed me pan cabbage and pop chow like me
day?
a goat. Me a goat to be a vegetable you give me.
I bet you must eat my red meat, not good for you. I bet you must eat up. What kind of red meat?
Like veg and they can hold it. Hey, don't
what you want, the big on the bus?
You see
we
what?
don't want no big
you know,
fat
so
woman
you
fat
right
on the bus. What kind of whiskey all the while you come with your sister?
Me no want no broke man.
Me no broke. Me I do my business. Me
You're
can have my business and broke.
You're broke.
They not gonna get one rich man.
I with public.
Go and go there with public.
I shouldn't take him. I should follow my family them and take public.
Go and go take public.
Public post for morning on there. How much car him buy? I know you can buy one taxi.
Same
put
thing
on
me
the
I tell you
road.
we do no
love.
Vanity. Vanity you no love.
Your workplace.
This
you can't give me cabbage.
You want one
what
cabbage
go
cook?
Do? Eh? What cabbage go do?
You can't cook.
What cabbage go do?
Now keep you up and me get one color look in our pocket or something.
Me a goat.
What you want?
Every
What you
day
want?
me
100,000?
Me don't want no
with
cabbage.
a little broad bean, a little rice or something flour. You can't peel yam.
Me is not a vegetarian.
Oh, you can't peel yam.
Me is not a Rastafarian,
You
sir.
want to live a KFC and
all of
burger.
this can't keep up with vegetable is what. Me don't want no fruit. What kind of fruits you come pick? You come tell me about?
Everything your sister show you. Meat you want. Everything your sister show you.
Every day, every week are the same thing.
You know how much you chicken?
Me sorry, me never take public.
Take public.
Cause public have a big waterfall like me. Me had to relax right now. But then a son after come argue with you. No teeth, man.
No problem.
No teeth.
Yes, I
told you.
Go yes, no problem. You love him, do. No problem. You love your boy, do.
Love what?
You love him till you're bad. Your sister, you can't come to give problem. You know, boy. But,
alright, you're going to get burnt till you weak.
That no, I know if you do. We're going to do it public.
Smell nice. Welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Double tap on the screen and share the live. Remember to tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen. Send up the likes, them man. A sweetie, you know, but me I show off like I say a lipstick. Why you slam the door so hard? You could knock first before you come in.
You mean slam the door? I just slam the door.
Why you come inside my room and you never knock the door first? You just barge in. So suppose me did naked.
Mommy, I don't say here, me knock.
Don't mommy me. Don't mommy me.
You know, say because I TikTok and the part, that's why you don't hear me.
Because I wish TikTok. So all my TikTok with me depend concern you.
Around 3 times I knock the door now.
No, you don't knock the door.
Bro, 3 times I knock the door,
that is a lie from the pit of hell. You know say a lie like your papa? That's why me I feel left your papa. Me don't like you lied man.
You know, so
them pick me always come like them.
Every single time we want to talk to you, you always
me no want to hear nothing from you. Look boy, let me take off your glasses. You know so from the other day, me noticed that you reach 17 now, you're going like you're a big man. Oh, so you start feather now, so you feel like so you're up in at the top. Don't come back in my room without knocking first. You hear me I tell you? Okay.
Alright. Come just come in off.
What you have to say? I'm a matter of fact, tell me what you say. What you say to me?
To them if you carried some of them from school, some of them wonder. Last time I see it in a room because they use if you hold up your phone when you're in the park.
Me? Jesus Christ.
Mommy, you're going to really pretend like...
Come down, you can't help me. What you say me do with your book, boy?
The last time I see my book, it in the on the bed, I use it to hold up your phone when you need the part.
Me I use your book to hold up my phone. So my phone they pop down now. It dey on one side and a limb. Jesus,
Bobby.
boy. You say if I sit in your car ask me for, you want money to go buy ice cream because every time you want something, you bring in one line or come friend me up say, Mommy, me know say you love me. You're my child, I love you, yes, but you're not a friend me up to ask me for things.
Boy.
What is your problem?
I'll be a friend of me just ask
What you want? What happened about your book? You can't find it?
No. The
So
last time I see it in there, so that's why I come in there to ask you which party it is.
Javi, you remember saying me and your mother. Remember saying me and your mother, and my mother never send me go to school. Not because me send you go to school and you learn. And you come out with more subject and you're bright. And me done so me cannot read. Not because me can't spell right.
Me never say, how that come in?
You don't come use your book. What me I do with your book? What me I go do with book now? Me cannot spell, me can't read. Me no know in the book, me go use book catch up my phone. What me I do with your book?
Mommy, you don't say you're for proud of me. Because...
Me proud of you.
No, you don't say you're for proud of me. Because... What if me did turn out the past social media every single day like how you do it? Would I never come out to in life? Look at every single person who we go to school with. They bother do hard working job. All of them.
Me I hear you, me I listen.
Are you the on TikTok? Yeah, but nobody have a TikTok. Be honest with yourself.
I am honest with myself.
No, be honest with yourself.
You
every single night in the part taps and roses. Yeah, but no real body have a TikTok.
Let me ask you one question first.
If you're there in Jamaica, you don't even make money off of TikTok because you don't even get paid for any video unless you go on live.
God, you hear that little boy?
You don't make no real money off of TikTok.
Now you feel say you're a big man.
You literally sell a house that we used to live in. A nice, comfortable house.
Me have to sell the dirty house when me did live in. I have to mind you and send you go to school.
No,
because you put around and left your parents.
No, may I talk to you. You sell your house, so how you take your money do? Buy one new iPhone. So
what if me buy one phone? Me buy one phone.
You buy a phone so you can go on social. Exactly, so you just.
Yes, me buy one phone to go on social media so me can interact with people
before
and communicate.
You take it,
I'll find one good man funny where me can mind you and send you go to college.
Before you say, me can take your money, invest or try to even buy one new car or build one house. Instead of buy one phone.
Jesus. Why?
I know you move in our 2-room apartment. We're small as hell. Sorry if we curse, sorry.
Sorry if you curse.
But
you're not no man as in, so me not talk to you.
But you don't make no money, mommy.
What do you mean me not make no money? How comes you survive? Yes, you left school, you graduate, or you eat, or you drink, or you sleep. Or me get water and soap to wash your clothes, or pay for Wi-Fi, light bill, and all kind of stuff.
And daddy has said your money every month for
daddy, your backside. Daddy, they tell you lie. Daddy, every day is daddy. Are you alone have daddy? Well, me no grow with no father. Look here. You notice me walk around and wash people dirty clothes to send you to school?
Be honest. When I last time if I put $1,000 in my hand, I always daddy give me money. Be honest.
If your papa they give you money, me don't know about it. But me sure say me give you money a man in time to go to school. No, you graduate, you stand up and talk to me like me and you there. But if you remember, say you are my son. Me and you is not size. You talk about phone or me buy iPhone to go up on social media. You should have glad. Say me buy it.
Why be for glad?
So you don't know about public.
Of course we know about public.
Public with it on social media, on TikTok every day. You don't see how public buy how much car and bus and this and all kind of stuff and big house. So you don't want me buy it too.
It's not about
so where you think me get the money from to buy this house? Although a 2-room and it's smaller than the house when I sell. Where you think me get the money from? Me get it off of social media and buy at least have your own room. What is the problem, little boy?
Bobby, the house we live in was far better than the house we live in.
Yeah, the house
we literally live in our rent house now. Any single day landlord can say, you don't say,
the boy
just talk
out. Look how you chat too much, boy. Me just chat out loud. Say me buy one house. For me and you stay and you have your own room. Make the dirty neighbor them will love know my business here. And now you go chat out in loud for the ear. Say I rent me rent.
I know what funny.
You chat too much.
But that you have to shout out loud if you're with business. Because everybody in that community already know.
Me did want them
Literally
to
big
buy
house, so
me buy this. Me want them to think so me make money off of social
Why you
media.
want, wait,
Because I want to be like public, you know, see public.
so why you want to be like somebody else, Bobby? Why you try to pretend like you have things?
Look here, little boy, me no size, no question me. Leave me alone and come out of my business as long as me make you a near man asleep and you're the shit in a good toilet. You hear the tissue we clean your backside is me by it. You don't care where me get the money from. And you know business me want to go on social media. It's my damn blasted
Bobby,
business.
if me never, why would I come to you and I try to talk to you? Say, you don't see if you find one real job, one job you can actually make. Bobby, you not even make minimum wage. There was a minimum wage I want now $50,000.
Father God.
Bobby, you don't even have a bank account.
What you say?
Bobby, you don't
Why
even have
you shame me all the while? So what if me don't have a bank
Maybe
account?
shame you, be honest. You don't have no bank account,
Talk.
you
Me
don't have no
bank
car.
account. Yes, me not have no bank account. Why you not go look a job and take out one bank account?
You know what funny? Think about the way you even collect
See
your
they
money.
are pass your place
No,
with me.
think
So
about
what?
how you collect your money off of TikTok.
Little boy, me
I
size
church
now.
sister, you have to ask for collect your money for you. And guess what? You have to give her money out of it. Every
Hold on
single
there,
time.
hold on.
Say that you want to get the
Javi,
full
hold
money.
on. So imagine you stand up. Me carry go to church and you stand up and I listen when me and my church sister
Maybe
talk, say,
listen, we don't even go to church anymore because you're not even...
me carry go to church. Me carry go to
When I
church
last
few
time with
times.
you? When I
A long
last-
time me no go, but me used to carry go to church. How
Exactly.
you know about me and my church sister business?
Bobby, every single person know say you are the church sister agree for a long time. For a long time, we wouldn't agree. All the pastor they have to sit to them and talk to them. I would still agree. I still have to
Where you say me and the pastor no agree?
I never say pastor agree.
Who you say me and them no agree?
In church sister.
The church sister?
Yes.
So you don't know me and her no agree?
Of course I know why.
Why? Let me see, can you act like you're a TVJ and CVM? Why me and my church sister don't agree?
Bobby.
Boy, me and her used to go and see
Because
you're too fast and you act like you want inquisitive in your mama business. And me not there. Remember, you is my son, we can't there. Listen,
Bobby,
she's my church sister and she used to be my classmate and we there with the same man. That's why me and her can't agree. Now rank yourself with me.
You know, some of I try to make you mad, but me just don't want
Me a chat loud because I want to neighbor they hear. They must have wonder if me and my man over here they argue. Lord Jesus, and my son and me they argue like I said, me and you there.
Bobby,
God
me just
almighty, boy, if you stop him, man, come out of my life. Come out of my life. Stop it.
Bobby,
Me don't like your ways.
me must say.
No, you make it whole of the district here.
Me must say,
me over here.
me must say.
Can you see me mouth big and loud already? You're still a time in the spirit.
Listen, me must say, me so go to college, you know. Me must say, me not go there anymore. So me just want to make sure say you're in a position where you can take care of yourself.
If me not make no money off of it, that do not concern you. I mean, never they complain to you whether me I make money on it or not. Why you come in my room and they disturb me, Javi? If you know me, know you come out of my room and stop talk to me. Boy, me no size. Go on out of my room. Right now, me don't want you nothing more from you. You need to get out.
You don't make no money off of TikTok.
That does
Just
not.
be honest. Yeah,
Me, if you just be honest, that does not concern you. It not concern you whether me I make money or me not make money.
be honest.
But you're
How much money you have on
you
TikTok?
sleep and
How
you
much
eat
money
and
you
you drink.
How much money you have on TikTok right now?
Me not have no money for it. And me not make no money for it. But that no concern you. But me still a mind you and me a feed you. And me a clothe you and I do everything to you. Boy, come out of my room. And not get me on my wrong side in here. Look here, come out of my room and close the door.
Social media go bad you.
Get out. Thank you, Jesus, in God. What a piece of disgrace. This a boy they act like I say me and him in a business. You see that get too long now. So you're ready to come argue with me. You remember say me is your mama. What is wrong with you? Cho, me go back for me life. You're outside and you can tap me from up on TikTok. Welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Double tap on the screen and share the live, guys.
Where I go, Alaska?
What going on, General?
Yeah, enough for all them same way,
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm pity mouse. But there,
But glad to see you.
on the grind as usual, you know what I mean?
Yes, man, you have to do panic because you don't know things set.
But you remember we ask about still, see?
Yes.
Because it's like say, I don't know, so every time when we do live stream and so forth, you know, I want to look a certain way. You know what I mean? But you know, I can borrow a vehicle just for do like a live stream a day. You know what I mean? But the serious part I want to ask about, you see a place where you work down so
Yeah.
I want to come take a live stream or do a live video down on the car mat. You understand me? I said that one I want to do. But which day feature we can work out?
Tomorrow.
You can work out tomorrow?
Yes, man.
But if you say boss, alright with it?
Boss, good, man.
You sure?
Yes, man.
Remember last time you say boss and really too friendly, you know?
No, your boss
I
not
mean-
too friendly.
Mm-hmm.
It's a serious man. But it will happen.
It will happen?
Yes.
Alright, because yo,
Possibly it will happen, man.
because you are going every time I'm on social media and thing, you know, me have to talk about the next level. You know what I mean? Some more move to the next level now. I mean, them say, boy, you know, things are going and so forth. Because I have video with me, you know, they are big place and, you know, they are hotel and they drink champagne and have nice girl and them something like that. But right now, I want to have like a, you know what I mean, one of them nice vehicle with right up on it. You know what I mean? Either a Benz or a BMW or something like that. But I know say down a few place where I work, them have them down there.
Yeah, man, we have a couple of Benz down there.
Yeah.
BMW.
BMW and say, not true. Alright, so just
But
check your
me not cut you. The money expensive for them, you know.
Me know that me I tell them man.
No, chicken back money or
Me know.
chicken money, you know.
And that's why I want to, yo, come on, so I have to fake it till you make it, you know.
Yes.
Right now, you have some people who link me from Dubai. You know what I mean? I say they like my profile and like how I deal with my thing. You know what I mean? I say, yo, when me go forward that way there, and I tell them, say, yo, you know, one day soon, I can fly over, check them and so I want, but I don't have no passport.
So how you go buy Benz?
Man.
I leave my simple car then.
You know, so we
a
go on.
passport you have look about there something there first, you know.
That's
and
true.
set your thing right way.
That's
Make
true.
certain say you have all that shit over your head.
You well, that's one
You have
next
to live
story.
with Benz, feel little bit. Benz can turn for how you the Empress girl. Or what?
No, alright.
You there on the social media, the thing I go, they want to go buy Benz.
Well, to be honest with you,
You want to get hype early, man.
To be honest with you, nothing now go on. But we still have to go on, show it like something that go on.
Yes, but
You
that
understand?
show is so big. You can go on easy. Right now you can buy all the Axio and you're nice.
But I can't buy nothing, brother. I don't have no money. I try to show you, you know, work out that way, because right now I buy little views. You know, when you buy views, you don't really get no money.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So that's
know
the
that.
problem. But right now, I just want to impress who I can impress for the time being. You know what I mean? In public class, you know what I mean? So if you want that. So all the more if you do for me. See, just do this to me. Because you know you understand what I go on really and truly.
I understand.
Line up it, check your boss. And then tomorrow we can actually go, you know what I mean, do the live stream in a one Benz. That would have blew up the thing, brother, may I tell you.
Me I go do that.
So you can do it though?
Yeah, man. Me I get up a morning and
start it out.
place.
Alright, brother.
Talk
Yo,
bossy.
funny enough, say, orange juice, me I drink from Peru and you're there, so I beat the orange juice, you know what I mean?
A link, connection, man.
Great minds, that's all.
what you have to do.
Think alike, but yo,
Yeah,
yo.
man.
I want to do a little quick live stream. If you say I can borrow a bus for us, do a little one right now.
Wow, you know, easy in the public. See the man, you up in.
Up here, alright. Respect you, brother.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, my people. You don't know, say it's public grass, holding it off. Yeah. You don't know, some of us watch my bus a while ago and we just there easy and cool out. Cause, you know, so we roll. Rain and soon I'll drop and all them things, but we still have to stay clean, fresh and clean, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we roll through. So we things them in our daily, you know what I mean? Daily activity. You know I go already, yeah. Tops and roses, tops and legs. Send out the line them too, them they want to see, you know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know, so we think up, and we stay up. Yeah man, check out my bus there, hold it up, see it here? Yeah, brand, hey, you hear me? This a bus here, when me buy that bus here, you know, nobody never on bus here, you know. As soon as we buy that bus here, I start the people that buy that bus here. Yeah man, them bus here, how far it come from? Mazda zoom, yeah, them me I talk about. Vaxic, I vax everybody around here has taxi them something, they put them thing there, you know me? Different, you know, me unique, you know. Yeah man. You don't know a thing or lifestyle. We raise the bar at time. But guess what now? Talking about raising the bar. Yeah, man. Thanks for the rose, my girl. I see it. I like it. Thank you very much, girl. You're the girl that put on big rose. How you mean? Valentine's Day soon far. Now where you stay? Me send it back. Alright, you want to go on. So tomorrow is a very special day for me. I guess so now. Tomorrow, I raise the bar. See? I buy one brand new Benz tomorrow and car mart. More on the sewer go on. Because it's my lifestyle. I have to keep it up. I have to give God thanks for it too. Because without God, nothing is possible. All my brethren them. You know what I mean? Big up my brethren Lasco. You know what I mean? Because you know them you there. Remember where I come from and thing. So, you know what I mean? Him own a car mart now, so I'm going to basically, sell me the vehicle tomorrow. So that's the way I go on. Everybody will check in. Tomorrow about 1 o'clock, I bank up 8, wake up about 10, you know what I think. Yeah. So just check in tomorrow, yeah? This is public rest. Tomorrow I buy my Benz, but everybody will experience that with me. Raise the bar, you know what I mean? Put in the work. Think a chicken with a jerk. Put in the work, yeah. What? Oh, that Candy Empress and the Lion, how you mean? Give thanks, mama. You reach far because you're generous. Candy Empress. Me see you, man. Yeah, man, hold it off. Friends like these, you want to keep in a real life. You don't know anything. Well, yeah, man, we must meet in a real life, man. Or yourself. And there you must meet up and things. You see the flossing and dancing. And, because we have to have people in dance the thing, you know what I mean? Hide the skin, yeah, rough. All right, me check off because the sun start get hotter now and thing because, this live stream is hard work. You know what I mean? So, sweat. But you sweat off your brow, shall you eat food? That's what them say. Yeah, so bless up on the services, public rest holding it off. Check in back tomorrow, because we are going to buy a Benz tomorrow. See me bus here. And me first have a bus here. You know what I mean? From me have a bus, everybody start by bus. I don't know why. The bus can't swim? I don't know. This one, very special. But hey, big up on yourself. Yeah. Candy Empress, thanks for the Lion. Second Lion to send on for the team. Yo, Candy Empress, big up yourself, You reach far, mama. Bless up yourself. So, yeah, man. Now check off for now. Love is the word, I will spread it. Big up on yourself. Out. Public rest out. Yeah. Ow! Yo, where's the lock up the bus for you? Yeah, man. Lock up it? Yeah. I'm lock up the bus. Yo! Back in there. Alright, let's go on. Go on, do one live until it reach. Yeah, I'm going to wait till some people check on for the live, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, today I gonna be a big day, and I don't know go already. Because today I step up in the life. Life is worth living, you have to live it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Public rest, I teach you how it's done. Yeah, man. Wow, see there? A lady out of check on, Candy Empress, big up yourself, big up yourself. You have sent some wonderful gifts. Respect our manners, because I don't know anything going on. Rough out there in the world there, Yeah, man, so guess what I go on now? I've done telling already, say, it's a big day for me, it's a big day for us, because we have shared this experience, right? I get the upgrade today. So in a few minutes, when I go see me, I'm a new brand Benz, you know what I mean, a road show. So anyway, when I see me in the western area, Kingston area, I don't know anything go. Yeah, my thing that. Because the license plate I go mark, you know what I mean, P-O-B. Pub, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey, thanks for the gifts, thanks for the gifts. Hey, sexy Kerry. Oh, you mean? Respect, respect. Yeah, man, big up yourself. See it there. All right, so I'll check off now, See? Soon in a few, all right? So when we jump on the live stream, all you go see right now is that my new official Mercedes-Benz, brand new, fresh out of plastic. You know what I mean? So check it out. Alright, cool. Out there. Come here, my general. Bossy.
Oh, go on, man.
Yeah, there, man. Everything good?
Why, yeah, man, but bad news, you know.
What do you mean bad news?
You come out of the shade, man, and talk because you can't talk yourself hot.
Jesus Christ, man. I can't believe you come give me bad news and all
Yeah,
that.
man, I tell you, fam, say bad news. Bad news. Not nice, guy, but the boss are going bad right now.
What you say? Boss are going bad?
Yeah, man, the boss are saying they want to catch you back even side the premises.
What do you mean side the premises?
Less back over there.
I want me to do so.
Boy, boss, they were rating, you know, I say like, yeah, scam out the people, them, man, so I'm sitting, you know.
Me a scam out the people, them? What you mean say me a scam out the people, them? It's just a profile. What your boss a deal with? The boss don't like him jealous, you know, boss. You know what I mean? Them the boss say if you top work with, you know. That sound like a basket, brother. Because I can't believe say it's just for maintain a status, because you don't know, so we are get the youths and we are trying to make it a certain way. But you know what I mean? We just have to fake it till we make it. That's just the level of it. Eh? So I don't know what I talk about.
Why you have to go stop them thing there, you know? Because it's not the right thing you're doing, you know, boss. I tell you.
You too?
Yeah. And a good thing you do. And the boss knows say no good thing you do. That's why he knows say I scam out the people them. So I don't know what you're up to, you know.
I can't believe say you there with that whole thing and I'm here to start the whole thing. Hmm?
And
You don't know, you alright. The last girl, the hot girl there. You remember Munchie?
Yeah, man, remember.
And me give Munchie. How you think I get Munchie? If me never have a profile, you could get Munchie, you know. Only if you know that. I saw you going to Jamaica, you have to have status. And if you don't have status, you make it. How we make it? You have to fake it till you make it. I tell you already, much time to say the same thing. Yo, go back and tell the boss now, because I just do one live a while ago and tell the people, say, me go buy Benz. How am I going to tell the people now, say, Benz, abracadabra? No,
You
I see
still
it now,
can't
you
buy a
don't.
Benz, but you have to buy it for my boss.
Me can't buy no Benz. You come like something wrong with that too. Me can't buy it, brother. I'm a side status, I profile thing. You understand me? I say, look like you. All you think the same way to like the people them. But you me I say still. The boss can't, yo.
Boss is a serious man, you know, that me I
I
try to
can't
tell you.
say man switch for me to
So
this
let you
time.
just try to know what you
I wonder
are
if I watch it live and feel like say boy I feel place me I go. Are you tell him? Are you tell him?
No, sir.
You know some place are you? Is that you are
I
go?
like me tell him.
Is it from today?
Yeah.
I just there say that I make it stay there so.
Anything you say now.
Anyway, there we just left it there so. Don't worry about it. We are still friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I papa. Bonne split and go on with a
man,
bag.
do your
Yes, sir.
thing, man. Me I go and hold my voice and
All
you do
right,
your
the boss.
thing.
Yes, papa. Good. Yes. How you mean? Man, that's cool, man.
Public rat. What one? Yo, me rate you know?
See.
What you say? You buy a Benz. Me see up on live, you know?
Oh, yeah, man.
So when you buy a Benz, because God know me not tell online. When you buy me one time, lift out it, you know?
Well, I don't say, I told them to buy the Benz, but guess what now? It's like, I'm going to feel too good the answer. So, you know, I really I take my time and say, me can, you know what I mean, just go, man, evaluate some stuff and then forward back, you know what I mean? Night town tomorrow and, you know, see what I go.
Nah, tell no lie. You done for TikTok.
Eh?
So what I've gone, me I'm bridging for a long time, you know, you can't buy me a vitamin water.
Vitamin water?
Yeah man, I want the energy one, the yellow one.
Yeah, man, I can be, yeah.
So where you come from out here, so? Are you run a place here, too?
Yeah, man, my family places, man.
I lie. Your family?
Yeah, my family place, yeah.
Oh, I think I hear a place. Wait there, but that's some Chinese one this.
Yeah, man, I China only, man, but I'm a family them.
So,
I'm a family them, we are talking about. Where you do that?
so, hold on there. You did have Chinese family too?
Yeah.
My youth can give me more than one energy water to drink.
Energy, no, are you going? I can start at energy water. Link me upon the social gram there and we can talk. You know what I mean? Because
No, Instagram, no.
Hmm?
Me go link you on TikTok.
You're on TikTok? Yeah,
Yeah.
man, on TikTok. And we can reason. So,
You don't always see me on TikTok, me always upon my live too.
so when you're on TikTok?
Candy Empress. My youth, I want the vitamin water.
Oh, you name Candy
Empress? No, I want the water. You want that for me?
Yeah, I can get it for you.
Vitamin water, the yellow one.
Yellow one.
Yeah, we make energy.
Alright, stay so don't move, yeah?
Alright.
Stay so don't move.
Don't style me, no.
No, man, stay so my family place, man, I tell you.
Benz, you must scam them a little
That's
cheap water.
exactly. I come here go for a comfort.
Alright,
you know what I mean?
Come back, my youth. Rate you.
See? Family and place, man. You don't know a thing, man.
My youth, you come back fast. I believe you.
Yeah, but them people in place, man, I tell you.
I believe you say your people in place, man. Thank you.
A long pen Williams and name, you know.
Right.
You know what I mean?
You see this?
Yeah.
This is water, yeah. Give me energy when me dehydrated.
Here we go. Link me on Instagram, because here we go. It's like
Stop say Instagram, no, man.
Instagram,
Can't
social
bother
media,
pick up on
TikTok,
Instagram
whatever the
now
case may
because
be.
me have too much something to do.
Alright, TikTok.
Me have an account on Instagram still, you know.
Yeah.
But me kind of busy on TikTok.
Alright, link on TikTok, you don't know a thing,
I'll
no?
send you a message on TikTok.
Where's the name again?
Candy Empress,
Candy
my
Empress.
youth.
Alright, so link on.
But me a virgin so long and you don't remember me
No,
name.
enough, you must have enough people check in, you know, like how we
And
do me like.
me not forgot public rest. No, man.
Alright, link me up here and we talk.
You want
Yeah?
to do one little thing for me still, you know. Now link you first about it on TikTok, here?
Alright, man, that's respect. Yeah?
Yeah, because me like where you going with on TikTok, you know?
Ah, respect,
Yeah,
respect.
man, big up
respect.
yourself. Wait, I walk him and walk. So he tell me, wait there. So public rest not tell me say him and the Chinese them related. No man, something not right here so. Cause oh you and Chinese fi friend and you walk. Something not right. I wonder if a thief ain't going in the supermarket go thief this. And a big up in dirty self but him and China related. Yo, I just when me start drinking already, you know, me no want that way because I'm thirsty. Watch ya. Boy, a top taxi.
I'm to you.
Nothing really happened to me, you know, my son. I just can't believe what happened today.
What happened today?
You don't know public rasp on TikTok.
Obviously, we know who the public cross, but we always talk about him every single day.
Me just meet him, you know, in the town, you know. Me see him.
You meet him just a while ago?
Me just meet him.
So wait, where about the road that's road that's where you live?
No, me meet him in the town. I come out of one supermarket where he say his family them own it and the people them will own it is Chinese.
So wait, about China?
So he might try explain to me and they tell me, you know, in a one way like say him own the supermarket or him have some shares in there.
So
Me
what
a-
weird about that?
What?
So what weird about that?
What do you mean what weird about it? Me not understand this. Me beg him one vitamin C water, the energy one, you know the yellow one there?
Yes, but don't say
He go back inside and carry it out, come give me.
Yeah.
But for big tapper notch,
Yeah.
public rasp on TikTok, me not look for see him a walk. Me dey look for see him a drive one big Pajero or them big old expensive Jeep, not even car.
So what wrong if you walk?
For all them 60 odd million in a US. No man. The man just go in at the supermarket and come out back with the water and come give me. Me I wonder if a thief in thief because them the
Well,
big
how you
old...
with a thief? How you with a thief? That don't make no sense. How if you go to a supermarket or a thief? So obviously you will get catch.
Public rest a black somebody, me not understand. Him and the Chinese people them related.
Me don't know about your TikTok business. And you say you love TikTok. Me don't
TikTok different from what me I say.
and you
Public
love
a rob and block somebody.
So where Trev? What is the point are you?
And the way you go in at the supermarket fast and come out back with me, I feel one day for TV. When me look, me see my walk, I go straight down the road. All they watch me, they watch him for seeing going in one big vehicle. Because me, I'm a boss, you know, how him go buy Benz.
Well,
No, me thinking you have one big.
But I'm surprised because right now, me believe that TikTok are foolish. Social media are foolishness.
No, not do that.
Make nobody.
No, but that, don't go there, son. My son,
TikTok,
you don't know nothing about. What you know about TikTok?
I see with you, woman. You don't make nobody.
If me even not make no money, people they funny and make money. I mean, not grudge them or jealous over them. Thank God for who can make money. One day me will make money too. So if you say they not make no money, what you know about TikTok?
Well, I see something when me always tell they don't make no money. So that's watch him say, look, you just realize say by now because
you know what say?
Where I try to really say he don't make as much money as he might try to say.
Him hungry musty. They big up himself on TikTok. So he want hype up like the rest of people them where make their money. Him nah make none and show off him and show.
Well, you're a big idol so if he don't make no money.
Yes, me I'm biggest fans on TikTok.
And he don't make no money, don't it?
But me no know because me hear my announce say him go buy Benz, but I true me see him walk and then this is me kind of, you know what I mean? True him and say the Chinese people them and him related and he own supermarket.
Bobby, and this way I try to always explain to you. Social media is not for everybody. Yes, I can make money off of some social media apps, but me I try to explain to you say you don't make no money. See, you always I say him I make money. You always a boss up say you want.
So what if me say I make money?
Right now you are trying.
What if me say I make money? No good sitting when people make money. You see you? Little boy, you don't even reach nowhere yet. And me I tell you say public rasta make money pan there. But that's true when me see him do today.
Exactly.
Make me a feel say. But him can make money under the quiet and me don't know. And you can't not because me say.
Alright. Bobby.
So you feel say everybody that on TikTok now make money, you see you chat too much. People that pan there and make their money. Not so because me your mother, you know see me.
So
how you know?
So how you gonna cuss me out now?
So when make you don't pan me every minute I chat about mommy, you not make no money pan social media. Social media enough for everybody. Social media for your dog to drink or post rat cow. It up to for your luck when it go come.
Bobby.
Everybody blessing come different. Who you? You don't know nothing. We make you not go try you out.
That's what I want to try you out.
Well, me, you know what? I love to watch TikTok and I love go pan it. Me like so when the people them get them big lion and them big universe and sitting. Go try and you will see. And good things are going on TikTok.
They talk to you later. Right now,
you're an idiot, you don't have no sense.
So
young fool and stupid.
How you call out fool?
What you mean? Because if you act like you have sense, it better you go on TikTok at least and sitting honest they do and they get money more than you walk and go do bad things.
They talk to you later.
Which part they go? Where they go? And they can't let me get like I say you buy this. Where they go?
So because I shop there go.
So sitting in my house to eat. Which part they go? Are you friendly? You see it? Out of you go sit down right now and go on TikTok. Try to see if God can send to somebody if he bless you with some gift and you go take off your money and buy where you go walk with some thief in front and some little idiot on the road and they trouble people. Which one you prefer?
Me talk to you later, baby. Love you, but TikTok are foolishness.
TikTok kind of no damn foolishness. Go you to I want to come from. That's all you do, put your mouth on people. Try know you are getting gift them no bad mind. You are my son but I'm full of bad mind. I can't bother you know. I want them to switch in hospital. You could have never come back. I should have one lock to the gate to lock out your backside. You got me feel the boy you see in business with me.
Richard, bro. Yo. Me come, me phone him. Alright. Let's say the phone now.
Gosh, that man, what go on, man?
Boy, I'm there. How can I move into the phone?
You know, so I come link about a little situation going on, you know, but I know say you run YouTube and, you know, them things there. But at the end of the day, you know, me kind of fresh in my business and things. I learn a lot from you. So I don't know if you can, you know, lend me some funds until maybe next week, you know. You know, I don't know you still.
So you want a thing for borrow?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you are going. But say 2 hours you do social media, you know. And
the image where you are push out and portray on social media. Up to me feel like you make a bag of money, so I really not understand how you want a thing to borrow. You know what I'm saying? If you not make no money on social media, you can't really. I tell the people them lie now. Come up to other day, I see I do a live stream, I tell the people them say, y'all get a Benz, so I don't understand how you don't have no money.
Don't worry about that, man. You know, that's for social media, but you have to give them what they want, you know, because, you know what I mean? Yeah, who believe. You know, who I that, I that. I have to sell it out. But, no watch that, man. And you, me really want to be like, you know what I mean, in the future, for real. I mean, no say, you know, buy views and all them something there. But you hear me say? You have a thing can lend me, that me come from.
Alright, here what I want. I have to be honest with you, you know. I can't go around and be like that, like you. So here what I want. Is it your thing where you depend on your type of style where you depend on social media? As a Virgin, I tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now.
How comes?
Yeah, I tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now because
I'm
a matter of fact.
Richie,
Listen, man. A matter of fact, I shouldn't even associate myself with you, brother, because you know, say, for me thing different. And everybody see me on social media. I mean, I'm grown nobody.
But that so not to say with my thing. My thing is just me. I fake it till me make it. Me understand.
Well, I'm sorry. A matter of fact, brother. I shouldn't even tell them so you make nobody see me. So you just try link somebody else.
I see I did Richie.
I saw you think said, yo, link somebody
Richard
else.
Brown, just easy now, man.
Look more, man. Look more.
I talk about some social media people just the same way. And them fight against you. You have some dirty social media people. But we not go take them energy as me say. Because them are them and we are we. And we are God we say.
You tell me say that on the same public cross foolishness.
Listen to me, babes, listen to me. From me and call your phone and you not answer me. So what make you want come and tell me foolishness now?
So when I just want to go talk, me tell us something, I go come out and so I come to you.
Alright, what you trying to say?
Come for check you. What you dip on TikTok and where you dip on TikTok for?
This man here?
Right now, I'm in my backyard. You can see me little, waterfalls and all these things. And, I just give thanks for life, just the same way.
This man, hey, listen, me just see that man down a shop a while ago. And this man just going in people them store, and take up one vitamin C water and come out and see him soon come back. I don't understand that man here.
Wow, what I tried it?
Yeah.
So I say to my mother just so I'm going to say, he come out to the store and take out something, gear.
So well on there. That simple means say, we can go link your mother.
Link my mother over.
But this all is so going.
No, she don't know. Me asked her already. She say, him give her and he gone in a taxi and go about his business.
Jesus, so we got to do this now.
When
me I got to do this.
Pen and paper and them something there, but you know what I mean? We're not going to see what I go on soon. So bless up on yourself, stay safe, watch what I go on. Alright? This is Public Ras checking out. You don't know the thing, go. We live life. Life is worth living. Love is the word, we have to spread it. Alright? So bless up on yourself. And we are checking back tomorrow. Yeah man, see you there? Me see you man, me see you. Me see you. Alright, bless up yourself. Come here, I can't get a taxi.
Wait, when you still there, make sure over my channel now. Go over there, go show some love. Alright.
Yeah man, this is Public Report checking in. You don't know the vibes go. If it's your first time here, like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? Just let me know so you don't like what I go on. You know what I mean? I want to talk about subscribe, I mean say join the family, join the movement, right? Because you don't know say family miss it. Thanks to everybody who has been supporting thus far. Thanks to everybody who, you know what I mean, just link me by a WhatsApp, by Instagram, you know what I mean, email, just Mr. Public, yo, yeah, go on, you know, you take your time and, you know what I mean, show through, because I don't know, so let me tell you, so I'm a work in progress, and thus far, I take my time and, you know what I mean, put in the work, all right? So thanks to all my family members who, as I said, support me, you know what I mean, so do the right thing, like, share, subscribe, and, you know what I mean, push it around and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I mean, so yeah, I'm gonna quick recap, though, of the first episode, which is social media experiment.
Rice or something flour. You can't peel yam.
Me's not a vegetarian.
Oh, you can't peel yam.
Me's not a Rastafarian,
You
sir.
want to live a KFC
All
and
of
burger.
this can't keep up with vegetable is what. Me don't want a fruit. What kind of fruits you come pick? You come tell me about?
Everything you see show you.
What you say me do with your book, boy?
The last time I see my book, you need the on the bed, I use it to hold up your phone when you need the part.
Me I use your book to hold up my phone. So my phone they pop down now. It dey on one side and a limb.
I want to do a little quick live stream. If you say I can borrow a bus for just do a little one right now.
Wow, you know, easy in the public. See them man, they up in.
Up in, all right. Respect you, brother.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, my people. You don't know, say it's public grass, hold it off. Yeah. You don't know, some of us watch my bus a while ago and we just there easy and cool out. Cause, you know, so we roll. So in a few minutes, when I go see me in my new brand Benz, you know what I mean, a road show. I saw you going to Jamaica, you have to have status. And if you don't have status, you make it. How we make it? You have to fake it till you make it. I tell you already, much time to say the same thing. Yo, go back and tell the boss now, because I just do one live a while ago and tell the people, say, me go buy Benz. How am I going to tell the people now, say, Benz, abracadabra? No, yeah, my family place, yeah.
I think I hear a place. Wait there, but not some Chinese one this.
Yeah, man, I China only, man, but I'm a family them.
So here what I go. Is it your thing where you depend on your type of style where you depend on social media? As a British, I tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now.
How comes?
Yeah, I tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now because
Yo,
I'm a fact.
Richie,
Listen, man. I'm a fact. I shouldn't even associate myself with you, because you know, say for me thing different. And everybody swear me at the on social media. I mean, I'm grown nobody.
But that
So
law officer with my thing. My thing is just me. I fake it till me make it. Me understand. I mean, I talk about some social media people just the same way. And them fight against you. You are some dirty social media people. Right now, I'm in my backyard. You can see me look at, you know, waterfalls and all these things. And, you know, I just give thanks for life. Just the same way.
How you
My
pick?
pine maka cut you.
Yeah, pick we can come around the other side there. Oh yeah, pick Jumbelin.
Star fruit, you always a call it dribbling. You don't know which country you come from. What?
So if flowers them are grow nice there though.
Come like me did know say you come, cause you come like say you can't come. Look. Because star fruit them a drop off a tree. What happened to you, you know?
Yeah, broke like dog. No money can give me money.
Broke life, no nice. You broke.
Broke like dog.
Nah man, not tell me say you broke. Me not like when I use them kind of speech and them kind of language there, no girl.
Let me say what I'm say. I don't have a cent to my name.
Broke
I
life.
know you are a rich woman already, you know, you have your people who will send you your money. No, sir. One thing
Just say your money run out a little bit. But not talk about no broke nothing around here. So I mean me keep on tell you say, yes when you use them they already attach onto you. No use not about no you broke like a no dog and the foolishness there.
True, my mother.
Why? You rough you know?
What do you mean?
You rough cause right now me not have no money me not have. The only money me have I feel like a Christian woman at church. What kind of book a fly for me? And she, you know, says she don't have no bank account. So me always pick up a little money for her. You say you broke like that, you come like me, I forgot broke her foot. Because I can't make me put me hungry. And the woman mean, you see. Me say, all me walk and stand up in a long line. That's why when you hear them say, some people say they're afraid of church people. But me not afraid, nobody a God me fear. You understand? So the only thing me could do to help you out, I forgive you.
So you go tell her say you not get no money? Yeah, cause if you can't make people use your so. Every month you not get nothing out of it, you've got to stand up in a long line there. No, sir.
Not even one buckle of water she don't know if you buy me.
When people deal with you, so you have to deal with them back. So
When I time I just show me have bad ways and I mean. When I time me a plan so me not go take collect no more money for her because she don't have no conscience. Me say me light all cut off and me beg her you know. And me say me light just cut off one little $8,000. You know how much money me collect for you man? Over
I could never hear the same woman where
$148,000.
raise me and make people walk over your son and deal with this. So you will join anything this woman call you for, you jump and go do it. And you always pray for this woman. And you tell me, say, when you go foreign with you, I see you bring down how much things, umbrella, sheet, shower set and all of them sitting there. And you tell me, say, she never gave them out yet? No, mommy, go on better than that. Go on better than that. We are all supposed to be made in Jesus' image, yes, but that doesn't mean say if you make people take advantage of you, so no, mommy.
So what you tell me say me fi do now?
Well, I the same woman she do this on social media and she get money.
She same one. She same one.
And she a flash on social media with
with a bag of things for social media. And then go on with a bag of sinting and a bag of chattings and bag of all sort of sinting. And me, when she get the money, me have to go join line and collect the money for her. And then sit there because sometimes when I go at the machine, my card not work, so I have to go in the line. Because money coming in my account. You understand? Then look away there. And I say, woman, not even me fear. Not even me fear my daughter. I did shame to tell you, I never did want to tell you, but yeah, sure you feel like so I have money because you always say me I go to the bank. I know for my money, you know, I fear her money. I fear her money. But you know what I go do? You tell her what I go do. I go and tell her, say, me no get no money.
Right.
And then me go pray about it.
And me will pray for you too, because that
Yeah,
is wickedness.
I go pray about it.
Yes, my mother.
I think so I go do it and pray about it.
So how much money, so mommy?
Me say 148,000 and me like cut off. And me ask it man to lend me 8,000. And she said her money plan out. She have plans for her money already. She map out. before me collect it done already.
148,000 for social media?
Yes, girl. That's what they ain't go on.
Mommy, come. We don't get no money this month. Come.
We don't get no money this
No
month.
money not come this month. And nobody can tell me nothing. She have to go prove it.
But me no want she.
We don't want she what? She can't prove nothing for your bank account. And if she question your mommy, tell her say you go shut down everything, make find somebody else, find somebody else.
She a go scandal me.
She can't scandal you. She cannot scandal you.
Me no like this Grace.
And she scandal you, she has scandal her own self. Because who, somebody was so kind to you and you not even take up a drink and give them? For so
And
much
she
money.
me there pick them and from up me now but I give her them, me a give take them.
Come mommy.
Yeah, like sense in me. Cause you she a use me for true.
When people will keep them happy, keep them up this and that.
Carol! What you just said it enough?
Yeah, my daughter.
How you leave this gate open so it's supposed to make the dog bite me?
The dog not bite you, what's will bite
Nobody
you?
not talk to your little girl.
So I can just take
You
off my
know
picnic
what she
sit
know?
out and
I
hang
come
and
now.
just see same thing I'm there tell you.
I
Mommy.
mean, I like it like give me one different one little girl. If you me inside, my friend so.
Mommy later.
Carol, I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Not even like it, take it back. Anyway, Carol, I want to talk to you.
Come on, go over there so.
I'm not
Sun
telling
hot.
like me and friend, but I can't stand a big daughter. She mean. She don't want to give me no nice thing them. Come on, you have
Like
something to talk to you about. Go in and shade him. I can't come up in no sun right now.
Yes, I'm a pick them in.
She mean.
Like a you man. Like a you.
Yes. Anyway, Carol,
Mm?
I money me come for. Because my son asked me for one clocks from the other day and you don't want to hear how much for it. And the latest type of clocks, they don't know what do them young people. Yeah. Every new thing come in, they want parents to buy. I want the money because remember say, I don't have no account. I don't no PayPal. TikTok deal with PayPal. You have account. Please may I ask you, I beg your collect. You can give me no?
You're out of luck.
What do you mean?
Me don't know what happened, you know. Me do know what happened, but me know no money in my account. Me say, listen to me. Me charter one taxi. And when me go down, then not even money me did have to pay a taxi man.
How come?
The
I
man
don't
create
understand.
one bag of excitement for me and say all I go call police and they same thing.
For what you do to the man?
Because me never had no fear. So me dey got call you for tell us say me dey got take out the fear out of to pay the man.
Carol, you know say I style me though. Because even if I saw you go, call it say I saw you go, and you go take out one fear. Fear and no fear. And I want house you go buy. And I don't care. You take out one fear because you charter one car to pay a man.
No fi collect for you one money. All the while me go
And you know how
give me no text. You know give me you ever buy me a bottle of water yet?
Look here, Carol,
ask you
this
one
is general
question.
shit because the man, listen, the man where you see I go borrow money from, eh?
Me never go borrow no money. Me tell the man to carry me down at the bank. And when me collect the money, me dey go pay him.
So
But
why
me
problem?
don't get no money, so me couldn't pay the man. And the
Why
man
you not
create
get the money
extra-
and the money they right there for your collect?
You want to know what happened? You don't know. Me say me don't know what happened. Me don't know what happened.
Carol, me never see none of this yet. See they all have a new crooks. Carol, what you do with my money?
Me not travel go foreign all the while and have me clothes.
All new phone.
Make you so out order.
Carol, let me see phone.
Yes,
Let me
me
see,
not
see
get
the
the phone that me
iPhone.
have.
Let me see if an iPhone you have. Carol, let me see it. See that you take my money go use it. Carol, me not like there something there. You know.
You
That's
see
why.
me phone crack up, girl. Look pan you see big old crack on my phone. What, this look like a new phone.
Carol,
to
what you do with my money? You collect your
You
money.
not hear me say me don't get the money, girl.
But you know the penny, me go up and... Jesus Christ, Carol, me dead now. Because
Look
me
much
not nothing in my
years
yard
me
for
collect
them.
money for you. Look much time. Me not nothing go looking up in my fridge and go looking at it. Go on in my house go look. Me not nothing. See me pick me just come a while ago. A star food. Me have to pick him. She hungry.
You
Say
know
what
what?
are we now hungriness?
Carol, you know me on top come in your yard and me will get somebody else who can collect my money
Me
for me.
glad, me
Because
have-
see that you are contract now
Right
about your
now, me
pick me
have to
hungry.
call
What
you
that have to do
disrespect-
with me?
You disrespect me.
Disrespect, take back your damn apple me take from your daughter and go along about your business. You think
Why
so me
about
now
your
come back, you're
business?
too thief!
Why come back here? You're a disgrace.
You is a thief and your daughter dead for hungry.
You seen we catch up on you.
And you me get all I seen them for. Hey, Carol, you see you? Alright, now worry yourself, you don't have no more money for collect.
One thing I just lick it.
All
How where you go?
How you flick rotted? Look where you catch.
Go on where you go. What? Me where you come call me thief out
You
hard
fling
and
you off
bright.
of me for.
Go out hard and bright. Go
Me
on
no
where you go.
hungry, me no hungry.
But you near me do. Me did tap long time, everything done, everything cut off. Go along where you go. Where? Me know God, me we pray. Anything me do, what you feel like say me do, what me not do, me know how to pray. Go along where you go. Me and my daughter, are you not glad some pick the gun and she never die? Out hard and bright. When time people I know yes people in a church don't feel like you can't take liberty
I
with
say you
people.
take me money and
Go
buy
on,
new
you go.
clothes. New clothes and new phone and new crocs. You like on style me. You're not collecting no more money for me again. Everything done.
Me did tap long time.
Coral, you is a thief.
Go along where you go.
Thief in Coral.
And if you call me thief one more time, I put you a court.
Actually, me can't read. Me beg you collect it for me because me have no account.
And look
So you
on
can take it and they style me.
Me collect over $1 million and $1 give you still can't read. Woman, go along at school. Where?
Where school good for? Look for you. I went since you learned to read. Remember say you was it done since was in high class, you know. And your grandma take you send you go to school since you get so big. You two we did it done since one in high class. But you have family to send you to school, you can learn since you're big. Look here, girl. Me done with you. Me done with you. Me now come back to your yard and you now collect no more money from me. You is a thief, Coral. Coral, you is a thief.
Where?
Who to telephone of people close the thief off a line? You take me money and a mine man. Old criminal.
Sometimes somebody need to get man in.
I'm going to spread your name on TVG and CVM. Go spread your dirty name. You're a criminal.
Where?
Done with you, Coral. Me done with you.
Woman.
Watch
Tell
it.
her where you go. Just $8,000 me did tell her to lend me. You couldn't lend me. You couldn't
Oh.
lend me $8,000.
You see it?
See it there?
You see it? So I told me not lend you $8,000 the one little time.
No, I got
You
show
take
you
away my
sign.
money.
God show you a sign.
Coral, I go and go and my granny grave go ball for you. I go and hug you. You is a wicked woman.
Sign
Watch.
and wonders. I catch up on you. The father show you a sign, woman.
I go and make
Bad.
a name out your neck in your sleep.
Hooligan, woman, go and
Me
come
and
back
no
on
more
the
friend
yard.
again. Watch.
My God is great. Hey, what a God. You never fail me yet. Yeah. My God is great. Go on.
You see me coming and you start to run. You thought it was a game until you saw my son. You the #1 top shotter in the streets. You better back down, you're gonna get defeat. You think this is a summer camp or a retreat? No yellow tape, no foreign seats. You came here to get a little bit of the lie. You thought I was a myth, now your soul is mine.
You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I see you. Because from what year, I see a thing of one. The fee say you move too fast.
Bro, any man.
Yeah, man. Because here, I know what you are doing. But the people don't know what you are doing. They know what you are doing because I know you. Two we grow together. See? But guess what now? You see faking thing, daddy. You don't have to really do that to make it. I know say it rough, you know, everybody the other them a fight to get views and them things. You get what me I say? Yeah. But guess what? You don't have to buy, brother. You don't have to buy. You don't feel say if you build your thing them and your fan base them natural, it's more better.
That's true, sir. But bro, yo, it's like if you start out from scratch, I know say it's the right way, but it's rough. Rough because based on, you know, like for all our brethren on them call Richard Brown, see? Him thing up. Him there 157,000. So you know what I mean? So me we have to buy little things.
Me and you grow together. And guess what? When you're 17 years old, you know, brother, you have a dream. When you're 17, you have a dream. You get it? And I know say you can do better. I know say you can work harder. Because that's how our parents grow. We work for what we want.
But what you say, the thing is, it's because really and truly, you never have time for me like that. See? Because you're my bigger brother. We never have time for me, so I find something for kind of occupy my time, man. You know what I mean? I must say this a social media thing couldn't work. Because people, enough people like it, you know, but there are some people who are, you know, because them not really check in the way they're supposed to check in, you know, push and, you know, reach the heights.
So you blame me, so we are you blame me.
You know, honestly, I blame you, bro, but it's like, what else me can do?
You understand me? I say, you know, if more little attention and social media is there for everybody basically. You know what I mean? You have to take a chance and think. But I never really come out to talk to you when you're supposed to, but obviously you don't want to talk to me. You see, alright. So you want to talk to me about them something there. You can call me and say, yo bro, come link me, you know. If you never come link, you know.
But you know, say, alright, watch your know, you don't know, say, me lost your number. Me lost your number. And the reason why me lost it, my phone, I go reset it by mistake. That's how you come down. You see me? But not because you don't see me. Me are still your brother. You get it? So if your sister me not reach out to you for when your job for come, you job.
So I come link, I can go on, but still yet you have to understand, say. Alright, me hear you, because my brother, I respect your words, I'm still. And if I saw the case, if you say that, come like a law.
Work for one, daddy.
Come have to work for you. Alright. So I start. When I tried it right.
Don't shortcut it. You understand me? I say, don't shortcut it. Just take your time and build it. You have to surpass everybody. Yeah, man. Remember this, you know. If you know hard, you know worth it. Remember this. If you know what?
If you know hard, you know worth it. Alright.
What me say? If you know what?
If you know hard, you know worth it.
Alright, daddy. Alright.
Where yourself, man?
So you may say, just easy. Yeah, man. Easy. Take you one step. Alright?
No problem.
Yeah, man.
Even though it's a split me come and find out, I get a counseling. So you have split for me?
Yeah, man. You have all type of ganja. I'm a responsive ganja.
Alright, boss. Alright, boss. So you say, please say, I'm still at them.
Yeah, man.
Yo, come in, man. Come in, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yo, where are you there, sir?
Hey, man, you me come give you a link.
Man, just block off on the gate.
Yeah, like a security.
So you see how gone, everything good though?
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
Come in, understand. Last conversation me have, you asked if you left for this because, you know what I mean? Circumstances, you know what I'm saying? You had to wait for me, bro.
Yeah. Come check you if you know what I go on because I realize, say, yeah, look, my one catty. Am I look at one catty that, you know?
Me, I look at one catty?
Yeah, no, you name public. Who name public?
Hold on, you mean you same catty want me make you get?
Yes. Yeah, so, look her back.
No, I'm not look her. No.
Yeah, you don't know, say catty rate me, catty will tell me. Say a public I look him. Public, Rasta.
No.
Yeah, look on the car. Where you say you have a car. You say my bus nice. You not even can go road with you and you want my woman.
Bro, listen to me, I said I'm gonna stop the fools, man.
What kind of stop is me come here mad and dark, you know?
Brother, you can't come here mad and dark.
Of course, because you look my woman.
No,
You mean, brother?
No, but me not look your woman.
You look my woman to tell me.
Yo, you don't believe me?
No, brother.
So how come you
believe me? Believe my woman. I have to believe my woman.
Brother,
and me and her head I go on one pillar at night time and you tell me crap.
You tell me say me I look your
bad
woman.
thing me come here upon it and me not come here like me no if a tight thing, you know. Look on the car where you say you have park up. Look on your house. Your house look there. And you come back and tell me crap on me ears.
So you tell my place
bad
now?
My right now if me a bad me relax here, man. You name public you look me girl and me don't want you look me girl. I tell you.
Brother,
but if I give you a chance.
Last time me nah look your woman.
Don't look me woman.
No, but
you
me not look
problem. So
brother,
you tell me.
I what she talk about me not
They're not
understand.
true.
No, I can't.
What you mean that them a circumstance?
Brother,
anything I want say if you not go say near go so. And this and near go say go so. And then you think them have to try straighten up and get a yard creep up and do what you have to do. You have to look bad man, woman. I want to you.
Alright, you may say.
So do them thing them man.
Alright, you may say.
Chat where you have to chat so when me listen. Because I'm more than dark, you know.
Alright, you may say.
Yeah.
See? Me, public, now look for your woman. What me get for you. Remember, say me get her for you. What me I look her for?
You know, say a style you get the woman and give me.
What you mean a style?
What you mean? You get her for just give me for look her back.
No.
Where you look her with?
Brother, what you talking about?
You know. You care.
You bought some weed today, a bad or something? Come on, man. Brother, I can't believe you.
If I on a bad weed or what, you're dead right there, so lead on you now. You lay
I
down.
don't believe this.
Me I tell
Man,
you.
tell me some lucky woman.
Get yourself straight
Brother.
up and know what you do, man. I want to tell you, man, you take me thing
Brother,
with
me
you,
can't
brother.
believe.
The woman tell me, brother.
A dream. Wake
Dream
up,
me
wake
a
up.
dream, me a
Brother,
dream.
come on, man.
Dream me
I'm
a dream. You
better
see
than
how me
that,
a
bro.
sweat?
Eh?
You just notice how you see me a sweat.
Yeah, me see you sweat like you're serious for true.
Of course.
All right, you are going.
I'm more
See?
serious though.
Check your woman and bring her come and make her have a face-to-face conversation. Come on, if you look in her face and say, and ask her these questions.
You want it happen now?
Go for her.
Alright, we'll go do that.
Go for her.
Alright. I'll get her show you.
Man, I come like a mad man.
Mad too, but you can't look my one, no man. You're mad.
Oh, woman. Woman or me get him. Me
If you
get
come
him,
this up
woman,
in
and
and now,
me
if
look
I
you,
talk, you
man.
know, them, I
Woman.
come to make you know, say, me no want you look me, woman. Okay.
All right, Mr.
I'm serious on that, you know.
All right, Mr. Girl.
You hear me? I tell you, go straight up over your yard, man, and do what you have to do, brother.
No,
you
about
look
that.
one woman give me, and you still want to look her back. You know, no
Man.
style, man.
All right,
Boss.
Yes, man, I take it. Everything.
Hello? Yeah, man, Desiree, me down at the back where you wait on, but down there I wait on you a long time. Come in, man, come. Me down I'm back, man, forward.
What on, girl?
But there, what going?
No, I'm there try get in contact with that man, you know, because girl, I said no go break contact with like a sense of my name. I come back and come try get in contact. I don't know why I never take that money in the first place. Cause the man does a post bait things, watch it. Bait things the man does a post. I'm doing something a girl. I don't know how I'm gonna get in contact with him because through him have a large following.
Oh yeah,
I text him on Instagram. Well, I'm gonna go on his page. When I text him on Instagram, I don't hear from him. Because probably a people that text him at the time. See me. Cute part. But I should never have it.
Girl, hold on there. No public this. What is this?
Anyway.
Girl, no that same man there. Come on my workplace, girl. And just come in my workplace and come take out the juice and come out with it. I don't understand.
We really come in here work with some pleasure.
In coming in my workplace and my boss case and just come take out the man juice and walk out, girl.
Also, pay for it after.
Pay for what? Him not pay for it, him just come in at the store, pick up the juice and walk out.
You say you use a look a liar. Them man not have to trust juice and take juice and stuff. Juice? Public?
Don't be right with what you about
You
people
put
that
that man picture would have stopped the life.
girl, that same man when he in public. This man, what the
You said this time when you come in here, it's going to go take juice.
I don't talk to you now. I don't talk to you.
May I tell you, this man I have all waterfall in my backyard. This man I have like 3 of the latest iPhone them. Eh? At 3 vehicles see my far with. Boy. And him come here for some tea for juice.
As Joe said before, I don't talk to you.
You know what? I can't bother you. You had the wrong man. Tell you the wrong person. I just want to get in contact with him. That's it. I'm going to ask him all.
Well,
I'm not so missing.
Well, Andy, come to think of it, let's see him public, girl. My boyfriend, mother, know about him, you know? And know him look weird about and stuff. Me, I tell her that, girl. My
Your boyfriend?
Yeah, girl, my man.
So your boyfriend know him from?
I him see me and come to me and I talk to me about it. And me I watch him on the phone, brother.
Alright, cause me not too like the energy where you give off. Me I tell you about the boy, say boy like me, and the boy have him things, and me I show you things. Nobody now go friends up on social media and I'm not a thief juice. Girl, me I come go in, but right now me not feel the energy.
You know, listen, is it you? You're a choice of man, them ridiculous, you.
I pray now. Yeah,
I
I
don't
can't
know
get a
what
link, you
to
know.
Link me?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no.
can't get a link because a whole heap of things are going on, you know. So yeah, the public thing are going, the Rasta there.
What public have to do with you? What me and public have to do with you? No public introduce me to you. So what could I go on with you in public? Look at the man about my soul today, you know. The man is a famous social media person. That is just it. I'm admiring him.
Oh, so I make you run him down.
Which part you say me run down nobody?
Yeah, run him down, man.
You want me run down? You don't know for me run down?
You don't have to run down me.
Oh, my
Me
God,
have something, yes. Me have
you
the
don't
life.
have not a thing for me run down.
That's what you think.
Why you too?
What you? Worry yourself. I want to frighten you. Why you have a frighten you? Rasta.
Nothing what you have can frighten me that I know for a fact.
Through my social media, I'm frighten you. That's why I'm going to get tricked. Good trick too,
You
but
coulda
don't worry
trick
yourself.
me.
I know
Why
me
you
a
couldn't
trick
trick
you.
me? Why you couldn't trick me?
Me not have to trick you. If me trick you, it's out turbo. So you don't have to worry yourself.
What else? You don't talk.
Don't worry your brain, man.
Look at if I'm money to the middle of the week.
What sweet you?
I'm money done
What
already.
sweet you?
have
Will
money to
sour
give me
you.
or what?
If me have money for give
Yeah.
you,
You
I
come
don't
in
give you
a
no
argument
money,
with
man.
me.
Make your Rasta give you money, man.
come in a
Because you
argument with me about
and him in
people.
a
Go
things
on,
for
man.
choo-choo,
Go on,
man.
Go.
What you?
Go, sir. Go.
And then me put you in a stress, you know. Our problem.
And you can't take me out, so it's still a day, so.
No worry yourself.
Eh?
Keep your Rasta.
You make sense?
Keep the Rasta.
You don't make no sense.
Keep him. Me make whole heap of sense.
You
If me
come
never
and
make...
start about Rasta and next man. You don't worry about yourself and what you can do. You can't do nothing and you come and start telling me about next man. Eh? He's a provider, me I look and a protector.
So
you
Ras-
can't do nothing for me,
So
nothing.
if public can do it, the Rasta. Why
I say let's
am I
stop
do
worry
it?
about other people, or
Me have
you
to
so
worry.
about the man.
Because I him same man introduce you to me and now he running and take you up. Eh?
You
But
worry
you're
about the
good,
wrong
man.
things,
Don't worry
man.
yourself, man. You know
Go
what
on,
gonna happen?
man.
You're good.
Me
Don't worry your brain. You're good, man. You're on the Rasta good, man.
Me always
Make
good.
certain say you're always good, you know.
Yeah.
Make certain nobody
Yeah.
running back.
Running back, me never running no way. The foot them want to scour off, you want one pedicure, you look like nobody.
Thank God.
Come bother my spirit in the day, yeah.
Now have to bother your soul, man. Don't worry
Rough
yourself.
like that, go on, go on.
Well done. Everything I got alright, man.
You know what to? Call a girl and find out. Why you too? Yeah, girl. Look, you know, I want you to link up your boyfriend mother. I want you to link up your mother-in-law for me, you know, because right now I get blamed for things that I'm not even doing, you know. So just call her or call him and get to public and I'm going to get the contact. I'm going to show him something.
Mommy, more to talk to you.
Hold on, just stay right this one. Don't come in my room like that.
Mommy, where are you? Where? I drink right now. I smoke, you there. What you do about you smoking there? When you start smoke?
Hold on there. You don't understand this, you know.
I drunk right now.
You don't understand.
I drunk right now.
It's when you see me and I'm a good sense in me. And you come in at the place just like that and take away my big head cliff. You need to give me my marijuana. Because right now,
Let me hold it here. No, let me hold it here. Let me hold it here now, let me hold it here.
your father was a drunkard.
You tell me that too much time. Let me hold this here. Let me hold this here.
Why you coming in my room, little boy? Why you coming in my room?
I come in to talk to you about something because the landlord did tell me something about rent. But we can't talk about that later.
Landlord?
But you, where you drink
The
from?
landlord is my man. I know you're not with no landlord. Me and the landlord. I don't know friend right now.
Well, I don't need to know that.
Me and the landlord there yesterday and we left today.
Well, that's too much information for me. No,
Let me tell you something. That you do. You plan with the woman for him take off my money.
What?
Because I don't have no account.
What the hell you talking about?
You see that clocks the way you beg me buy?
Which clocks?
Hey, what? Let me tell you something. You know, go buy again.
Which clocks are you talking about?
The clocks. You need to take yourself out of my room. Because right now, I need a spliff. I need a real big head spliff.
I'm not guessing you go.
You understand what I say?
I'm not guessing you go, not going. So not even.
This is my son. And I need money to buy your clocks. And this woman take my money and gone. Cost me half and not give me.
Which money?
I don't have an account. So I let she to my money. I lead her to it. Now she take it and gone. Because I cannot read. I can't spell. I'm not no account. But let me tell you something, you know, boy.
Bring some water out of this.
Alright. How you do it, my rum?
No, around that, you know, mommy. You just sit things around that.
Where you do it, my rum?
Around that.
Boy, come out of my room. Where you do it, my rum? Let me scream.
But you should have put up your finger them. You see something, and this more about, you know, the social media thing, I get you mad. You look at money where you make off it, I get you mad. Now somebody thief your money from where you try to say, off of TikTok. That's why I tell you to lower TikTok, you know. The social media thing, I'm going to make you mad with it.
Back up. Back up.
I'm not going to argue with you, you know.
People in my one TikTok is my family. So me get back my money.
Call your family, I will not be. But that's even.
I'm my family. My family. Come out of me.
Don't make me come back in here and see you drink more rum.
Give me my rum.
See where you
Why? Give me my rum. Give me my rum. Give me my rum.
Alright, go and go drink your rum.
Give me my rum.
Because, do you?
Coming and you start to run. You thought it was a game until you saw my son. You the number one top shotter in the streets. You better back down, you're gonna get defeat. You think this is a summer camp or a retreat? No yellow tape, no foreign seats. You came here to get a little bit of the line. You thought I was a myth, now your soul is mine. Why, oh why? This little fool wanna try. Get the liquor bus and fly.